Now, News 4's Dylan Morello has had a first-hand view of the damage all throughout the day and tells us about the challenges that still remain tonight. Dylan.
Dave and Kelsey, here in North Buffalo, the rain as well as the wind has picked up in the last couple of minutes, but that is only a light breeze compared to what those residents in Chautauqua County had to experience all day long, as at its peak, 12,000 residents were left without power.
It's a crazy experience to have this happen, and I checked with all the neighbors immediately, and I ran out on the houses to see if everybody else is all right.
So many trees down all at once. I mean, what are you going to do? You know, you just got to rely on the community to report things.
Those type of conditions led to power outages being widespread, with a combined 12,000 residents in Chautauqua County without power, over 3,000 of which in the Dunkirk area. Dunkirk police reported Tuesday that multiple trees and power lines throughout the area were damaged, with police urging drivers to use caution as traffic lights were also knocked out, asking those on the road to watch out for public works crews as they cleared roadways of debris. Power crews, which were staged at the local Home Depot, were seen hard at work throughout the night, closing off multiple intersections because of fallen trees, one on Willbrook and Central Avenue, not falling on any houses, but scaring the neighbors.
This is the craziest wind storm I think I've ever seen around here.
I say these windstorms are getting worse over the years. I haven't had a 75-mile-an-hour wind here, I don't think.
The winds also whipped down the thruway, tipping over 2 tractor trailers on the I-90, luckily with no injuries reported. But Chautauqua County officials say an empty tractor-trailer ban can also cause issues on local roads.
I understand why the thruway does it. That's such a main thoroughfare for them, and they're trying to do that in the interest of Interstate 90 safety. Unfortunately, it does create that secondary aspect where those trucks still want to move, and they do come to our secondary roadways. And unfortunately, we've had 2 rollovers here in the county because of that.
Gutman continued, saying safety always comes first during times like these, making sure you're prepared for the worst.
I'm just thankful that no other trees fell on anyone's homes around here.
Prepared. I have candles. I have a flashlight. I have a space heater down in my basement that's gas.
And at last check, nearly 10,000 residents in Chautauqua County are still without power, but crews are going to work well into the night to make sure that all issues are resolved. Reporting live in Buffalo, Dylan Morello, News 4.